Are you standing in front of your closet, feeling uninspired by your wardrobe? Transforming your outfits from ordinary to chic doesn't have to be complicated. Let's dive into stylish outfit combos, identify what's wrong, and discover how to fix them with elegant touches that elevate your look. Fashion is all about expressing yourself while feeling confident and comfortable. We'll explore how to identify common fashion mistakes in your outfits and provide easy fixes that will help you look more elegant and put together. Whether it's the wrong cut, colour clashes, or poorly chosen accessories, we'll show you how to make your outfits shine. Basic white t-shirt and baggy jeans. This combo can appear shapeless and lack polish. Chic fix. Replace the basic white tee with a tailored button-up blouse in a soft fabric like silk or a structured cotton blend. Opt for high-waisted straight-leg jeans that define your waist. Add a stylish belt to cinch the waist and finish with pointy-toed mules or ankle boots for a sleek look. Layer with a fitted blazer or a tailored denim jacket to add sophistication. Black shift dress with casual flip-flops. While black shift dresses are versatile, pairing them with flip-flops gives off a too casual vibe. Chic fix. Upgrade to a fitted black sheath dress and pair it with elegant strappy heels or classic pumps. Add a statement necklace and a structured handbag to enhance the look. A tailored trench coat or a chic leather jacket can also elevate the outfit for a night out. Oversized sweater and leggings. This can create a frumpy silhouette and lack structure. Chic fix. Swap the oversized sweater for a fitted turtleneck or a sleek mock neck top. Pair it with high-waisted tailored trousers or a midi skirt in a luxurious fabric like satin or crepe. Complete the look with ankle boots or knee-high boots. Accessorize with a wide-brim hat or a statement scarf for added elegance. Monochrome. Look in dull colours. Wearing monochrome outfits in muted tones can appear drab and uninviting. Chic fix. Instead of dull colours, choose a vibrant palette that complements your skin tone. Mix different textures, such as a silk blouse, with tailored wool trousers to create visual interest. Add a bold-coloured blazer and finish with a statement handbag. Opt for contrasting shoes to add an unexpected pop to your outfit. Casual summer dress with chunky sneakers. Casual dresses can lose their charm when paired with clunky footwear. Chic fix. Replace the chunky sneakers with sleek white leather sneakers or strappy wedges. Add a lightweight cardigan or a denim jacket for layering. Elevate the look further with elegant jewellery like hoop earrings or layered necklaces. A chic crossbody bag can add sophistication and practicality. Floral maxi dress with bulky cardigan. While a floral maxi dress is lovely, pairing it with a bulky cardigan can overwhelm your frame and hide the dress's beauty. Chic fix. Swap the bulky cardigan for a fitted denim jacket or a lightweight, tailored blazer to add structure. Choose a crop style that highlights your waistline. Accessorize with a statement belt to define your silhouette and finish with ankle boots or heeled sandals for a chic touch. Sweatshirt and yoga pants. This combo can look too casual and lacks style when worn outside the house. Chic fix. Replace the sweatshirt with a stylish fitted pullover in a luxe fabric like cashmere or merino wool. Opt for high-waisted tailored pants instead of yoga pants. Complete the look with trendy slip-on sneakers or chic loafers. Add a structured handbag and delicate jewellery to elevate your outfit from homeware to street style. Straight-leg jeans with a baggy tees can create a slouchy appearance and may not highlight your figure. Chic fix. Choose a fitted or semi-fitted tee with a fun print or embellishment. Tuck it into high-waisted straight-leg jeans for a polished look. Layer with a tailored blazer or a fitted leather jacket for added sophistication. Finish with pointed toe flats or block-heeled ankle boots and a crossbody bag to complete the ensemble. Lightweight knit sweater with cargo pants. While cargo pants can be stylish, pairing them with a lightweight knit can make the look feel unbalanced and too casual. Chic fix. Swap the lightweight knit for a structured blouse or a fitted turtleneck. Choose tailored cargo pants that have a more fitted silhouette and roll up the cuffs to showcase chic ankle boots or heeled sandals. Accessorize with a statement necklace or bold earrings and a stylish belt to refine the look. Oversized hoodie with distressed denim shorts. This combo can appear too relaxed and youthful for a more sophisticated look. Instead of an oversized hoodie, opt for a fitted long-sleeve top or a chic graphic tee tucked into your shorts. Pair with tailored high-waisted shorts instead of distressed ones for a more polished vibe. Elevate the outfit with heeled mules or stylish ankle boots. Add a structured handbag and oversized sunglasses for a touch of glamour. With these outfit combinations and fixes, you have a comprehensive guide to enhancing your style. Remember, it's all about balancing comfort with elegance and making thoughtful choices that reflect your unique personality. With a few tweaks, you can elevate any outfit to look chic and sophisticated.